Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of wasting time clicking through menus in Excel? Then this video is exactly what you need. From the essentials that every beginner should master, today, I'm going to show you 50 must-know Excel shortcut keys. These shortcuts will help you navigate, format, and analyze your data in record time. Ctrl+N, new workbook. When I press Ctrl+N, a completely new workbook opens. This is great when I need to start a new Excel file without closing the current one. Ctrl+O, open workbook. Using Ctrl+O, I can quickly open an existing file. Ctrl+S. Whenever I make changes, I press Ctrl+S to save. It keeps my work updated and prevents data loss. Ctrl+W, close workbook. Ctrl+W closes the current workbook window without. For the save your file, click on Save option and name your file and click Save. Ctrl+F4, close workbook. This shortcut, Ctrl+F4, does the same thing. Ctrl+C. I highlight a cell and press Ctrl+C to copy it. This is the most basic yet powerful shortcut to duplicate content. Ctrl+V, paste. After copying, I go where I want and press Ctrl+V to paste. Ctrl+I, italic text. To make text stand out, I use Ctrl+I to italicize it. It's useful for emphasis in reports or headings. Ctrl+B, bold text. With Ctrl+B, I can bold the selected text or numbers. Great for highlighting totals or important labels. Ctrl+H, find and replace. Ctrl+H opens the Find and Replace dialog. It helps me change multiple values in a sheet quickly, super helpful during data cleanup. Ctrl+Shift+L, add or remove filter. When I press Ctrl+Shift+L, filters are added to my table. This allows me to sort or filter data by any column instantly. Pressing it again removes the filters. Ctrl+semicolon, insert current date. I place my cursor in a cell and hit Ctrl+semicolon. It instantly adds today's date. Ctrl+Shift+colon. With Ctrl+Shift+colon, I can insert the exact current time into a cell. It's useful when recording when a task was done. Ctrl+K, insert hyperlink. By pressing Ctrl+K, the hyperlink window opens. I can link to a web page, another document. Ctrl+Shift+$, format as currency. When I press Ctrl+Shift+$sign, the selected numbers instantly convert to currency format. Ctrl+Shift+%, format as percentage. Ctrl+Shift+% sign changes the number format to percentage, automatically multiplying by 100 and adding the percent symbol. Now let's move forward with some more shortcut keys. Ctrl+Space, select entire column. Using Ctrl+Space, the entire column where my cursor is gets selected. It's perfect for formatting or deleting an entire column at once. Ctrl+9, hide selected rows. If I want to temporarily hide certain rows, I just select them and press Ctrl+9. They disappear from view but aren't deleted. Ctrl+Shift+9, unhide hidden rows. To bring hidden rows back, I select the surrounding rows and press Ctrl+Shift+9. The hidden rows become visible again. Ctrl+0, hide selected rows. If I want to temporarily hide certain rows, I just select them and press Ctrl+0. They disappear from view but aren't deleted. Ctrl+Shift+0, unhide hidden rows. To bring hidden rows back, Alt+N+V+A. For the insert pivot table, press Ctrl+-, delete selected cells. After selecting a row or column, pressing Ctrl+- opens the delete options. Ctrl+page down, move to next worksheet. When I press Ctrl+page down, it jumps to the next sheet in my workbook. It's really handy when I'm working with multiple tabs. Ctrl+page up, move to previous worksheet. Similarly, Ctrl+page up moves me to the previous worksheet, perfect for flipping back and forth between sheets quickly. Ctrl+Shift+ and add outline border. Ctrl+Shift+& quickly adds borders around the selected cells. Ctrl+Shift+_, remove borders. With Ctrl+Shift+_, I can remove all borders from the selected cells, helpful for resetting formatting. Ctrl+Shift+right arrow. When I press Ctrl+Shift+right arrow, it selects all the data to the right of my active cell. Control plus Shift plus left arrow selects all data to the left. It's a great way to go back and select multiple columns in a row. Control plus Shift plus down arrows select downward. Control plus Shift plus down arrow selects everything below the active cell. Super useful when you're working with a long column of data. Control plus Shift plus up arrow. Select upward. This shortcut selects everything above the current cell. Now let's move forward with some more shortcut keys. Shift plus space, select entire row. When I press Shift plus space, the entire row is selected. Control plus hyphen, minus, delete selected cells. Shift plus tab, move to previous cell. When I press Shift plus tab, the cursor moves to the previous cell on the left. It's the opposite of the tab key and helps with quick navigation. Shift plus F2, edit cell comment. By pressing Shift plus F2, I can add or edit a comment on the selected cell, perfect for leaving notes or reminders. Shift plus F10 plus D, open context menu. Shift plus F10 opens the right-click context menu without needing a mouse. It's a great time saver. Shift plus space, select entire row. Shift plus space selects the entire row of the active cell. This shortcut is very handy for formatting or deleting rows. Alt plus E switches to the Data tab in the ribbon instantly, so I can access sorting, filtering, and other data tools faster. Alt plus W, open View tab. With Alt plus W, I jump to the View tab to change workbook views or zoom settings quickly. Alt plus M, open Formulas tab. Alt plus M takes me directly to the Formulas tab, great for quickly inserting functions or managing named ranges. Alt plus H plus AE plus C. Center align cells X. Pressing Alt plus H plus AE plus C. Then C centers the content of the selected cells horizontally, perfect for tidy headers. Alt plus H change fill color. Then H opens the fill color menu, so I can quickly add background colors to cells. Alt plus H plus B add border. Alt plus H plus B opens border options, letting me add or remove borders without using the mouse. Alt plus Q, go to Tell Me box. When I press Alt plus Q, it takes me directly to the Tell Me search box in Excel where I can quickly find commands or help without digging through menus. Alt plus H plus D plus C, delete column. With Alt plus H plus D plus C, I instantly delete the selected column. A fast way to clean up my data. Alt plus F1, insert chart. Pressing Alt plus F1 inserts a default chart using the selected data right into my current worksheet. Alt plus Shift plus right arrow, group rows or columns. Alt plus Shift plus right arrow groups selected rows or columns together, great for organizing large datasets. Alt plus Shift plus left arrow, ungroup rows or columns. Using Alt plus Shift plus left arrow, I can ungroup grouped rows or columns. Very helpful for adjusting data outlines. F11, create chart on new sheet. When I press F11, Excel creates a chart with the selected data on a new chart sheet, perfect for detailed analysis. F2 edit the cell. Press the F2 and you edit your selected cell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.